If you ever bought something because someone recommended it online, congratulations, you've already seen affiliate marketing in action. In today's video, I'm breaking down affiliate marketing for complete beginners, how it works, how to choose products, where to promote them. I'll even walk you through one of the most popular affiliate programs, which is the Amazon affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associates. So let's begin. The first thing, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply promoting a product that you didn't create, like promoting someone else's product, and you earn a commission every time someone purchases that product using your unique link. You don't have to create the product, you don't have to deal with customer service, you don't have to do shipping. Your main job is to connect the right product to the right person. And here's the complete life cycle of how affiliate marketing works. The first phase is the seller. It can be Amazon, it can be a software company, it can be a digital product or a digital course, it can be skincare brands or whatever. The phase 2, that is you. You sign up for the affiliate program and you get a unique link for the products that they have created. The step 3, you share these products or you share this affiliate link to your audience. Now, once your audience use your unique link and make a purchase, that's how you earn a commission. If they use any other link or they just go up to the website and make a purchase without using your link, you don't get any commission. So you have to make sure they are using your unique link to make that purchase. And so that is a full life cycle of how affiliate marketing really works. Now, the next thing you have to do is to choose a niche. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is to try to promote everything. If you try to promote everything, you won't really promote nothing. Even on TikTok Shop, they want you to be in a certain category. So if you want to be promoting home goods or baby gadgets or kitchen gadgets, you want to be promoting skincare brands, you want to be promoting beauty brands, pick a niche. Just pick something that you're passionate about or something you can talk about every day or something you're already using. It makes it easier for you to promote those products because you're using them actively, you love them, and also choose a product that solves a problem. So people don't just buy random links, they buy a solution. For example, if you're a mom and you're using a particular breast pump that actually takes out or sucks out all the juice, you know how it feels like when you're pumping and you still feel like your breast is engorged. So there's some breast pumps, I really like the manual breast pumps because they suck out everything. So now you're recommending that to another mom is because of your experience and because that solves a problem that you are facing. You're facing a problem of you not getting all the breast milk out. Now you found a breast pump that gets all that breast milk out. You're recommending it to another mom. You're already using it. So that person is likely to buy it because you're saying it out of experience. So it is best for you to choose a product that you're already using, something that you love, and something that solves a real problem. Then affiliate marketing or you selling that product is going to be way easy. You don't need to promote the most expensive product, you need to promote the most helpful one. Of course, the expensive product is going to have higher payout, higher commissions, but before choosing a product for you to promote, you need to ask yourself these questions. Have you researched well about the product? Does it solve a particular problem? Would you recommend it to a friend? Because in affiliate marketing, trust converts more than hype. If you have used something and you actually see results, or you see that, okay, this is something you can recommend to a friend or to your family members, or it's something that actually solves a real problem, then your commissions are going to come rolling in rather than just something that is hyped. Now, where do you promote your affiliate links? There are various ways you can promote your affiliate links. Number 1, you can promote them on blogs or websites. People still read articles these days. So if you're doing a blog or if you have a blog and you're writing articles, you can insert your affiliate links within the article. So let's say you're telling a story about maybe you cooked something. Then the cooking was easier because you used a certain blender or a certain pot. You can then include the affiliate link in that article. That is seamless. Someone reading that story might be like, oh, let me try this pot, or let me try this blender, or let me try this kitchen utensil this person was talking about. Those are one of the easiest ways for you to insert your links, or one of the easiest ways for you to promote your affiliate links through blogs and websites. The next way you can promote your affiliate links is through email marketing. An email list is one of the best long-form strategies. So you having someone's email, it's one of the best things you can have. Let's just say, for example, tomorrow there's no social media, but you have somebody's email, you can always reach out to them. So having an email list is very important because this is where you can share your recommendations. You can send them value-packed emails and you build trust over time. Having an email list is the best way you can actually have consistent affiliate marketing sales, because every time you send an email recommending this thing, you have built trust over time. They're definitely going to buy from your links. They already trust you, they're connected to you, then they can purchase from your links. The next way you can promote your affiliate links is through video marketing. YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok. Video builds trust faster than anything because people want to see that product in action, in real life. So doing tutorials, doing product reviews, what I use, comparisons of two different products, is going to build trust really quick, and people feel connected to people who show them things in real life. So that is one of the fastest way you can build trust, and you can start selling, or you can actually start making money from your affiliate links. Now, let's talk about one of the most popular affiliate marketing programs out there, which is the Amazon Affiliate Program or Amazon Associates. This is one of the easiest ways you can get into affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, because you don't need a huge following, you don't need any experience. There are millions of products to choose from. People already trust Amazon, so you really don't have to do too much convincing. And also, you don't only earn from the links you share, you can also earn from everything that they buy. For example, let's say you share the link to a baby bottle and somebody purchases that baby bottle and they went ahead to buy maybe baby food or a bib. It's in that same category, so Amazon is also going to pay you that commission, even if it was not the same thing that you shared the link to. You see how this works? You see how the commissions are coming in? Yeah. So then how do you get started with it? So the first thing, you need to have an Amazon account. If you don't have an account, just go to www.amazon.com. You create an account. Then you scroll all the way to the bottom. You see where it says Earn with Us. So under Earn with Us, you're going to see where it says Become an Affiliate. Once you click to become an affiliate, it's going to take you to a new page. On that new page, it's going to ask you to fill in a few things. So they're going to ask you to put in a website. You can either use a website if you have one. If you don't have a website, you can use a social media platform and you just put the link in there. They're going to ask a few other questions, your name, address, tax information, to fill all of that. So once you've created your account, you've filled in all the information, the next thing you want to do is to go back to the main Amazon page and you search for best selling products. Find products that are selling multiple times a month, thousands of times a month, let's say 5K a month. You choose those products, you copy your unique link. When you go to the platform, it's going to tell you to get a unique link. That is your unique link. Remember what I said about it. You copy that unique link and you paste it on your social media platform. Like, say you're posting it on Instagram, or if you want to do Pinterest, you can then post it on Pinterest. Every time somebody clicks on that link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Now, here's the catch. With the Amazon Affiliate Program, you need to make 3 sales within 180 days for you to remain in the program. So it's like they're giving you a free trial for you to promote those links and see if you can make sales. Once you've made those sales, then you are fully in the program. If after 180 days you haven't made any sales, you won't be able to promote links or to get unique links anymore. You probably have to wait for some time, then reapply for the program. Now, how do you promote your links? One of the easiest ways to promote your Amazon affiliate links is through Pinterest. So many people are sleeping on Pinterest, but Pinterest right now is a search engine. If you want a video on how you can do affiliate marketing or Amazon affiliate program using Pinterest, let me know down in the comment section and I'm going to make a separate video for that. But the best ways, one of the best ways you can do is using Pinterest. You can just go to Amazon, you copy the title, you copy the description, you go onto Pinterest, you create a professional account on Pinterest. Once you create a professional account on Pinterest, you go to create an ad pin. You then take the title and description from Amazon, you input the way it says title, you put the description, you download or you save that picture from Amazon and you put it where it says to put a picture. Then your unique link, you also include it in there. If somebody clicks on that link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. You can also go ahead, if you have that product at home, that's why I say use products that you already use or you already have at home. You can start making videos about that product, showing tutorials, telling people why you love the product, posting it on your social media platforms, sending them to that link for them to make a purchase. That is how you're going to earn commissions. And so that's it. That's affiliate marketing in the nutshell. Lastly, if you're doing the Amazon affiliate program, you need to read the terms of services. Amazon is very strict with the terms of services. Every time that you post your link, you need to disclose to your audience that you earn a commission if they purchase using that link. That's one of the clauses that they always want you to make everybody know that, okay, if you use this link to purchase, I earn a commission. State it clear. But that's one of the highest ways you can get kicked out of the program. If you don't disclose that you are an associate and you earn commissions from it. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you have any more questions, leave them down in the comment section. If you have videos that you want to see about affiliate marketing, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to make videos on them. Thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.